We've just took it to stock. It's very rare. It's a Volkswagen Transporter T6 Highline with the Comfort Dash. It's got a lot of extras on it. It's the long wheelbase. It's got twin sliding doors, so twin sliding doors each side. 6 seats. It's had a new EGR cooler, new flywheel, cam belt's been done as well. It's got upgraded EBC discs and brakes, 20-inch alloy wheels. It's got the important extra, the built-in Comfort coilover shocks, which are adjustable springs. And we've got a few other bits and pieces as well, Miltech exhausts, and other bits and pieces, but it really has been well looked after. This has. It's got a reverse camera and sat nav as well. You've got these bigger 20-inch alloy wheels and the upgraded brakes. Just put my notes there. Twin Miltech exhaust, smoked rear lights, twin seats in the front, Isofix as well. Carpeted LED roof. All the space in the back there. It's done 105 miles. Satellite navigation, reverse camera and park sensors, air conditioning, seats are in immaculate condition. Cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, Bluetooth, media pack, navigation. DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. For quite further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.